million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
Hey, I'm back with some human hair, and it's from Wig Encounters. And y'all, I will say that Wig Encounters is probably in my top 3 most favorite human hair wig companies. And y'all know human hair really ain't my thing, okay? So I really do give them a hard time. But Wig Encounters, I can definitely vouch for them. They sent us over something, and y'all, I can't remember what it is. I literally just pulled it out of the box. We're gonna see together. I know what they always give me, and that's a coupon code. So if you look in the description box, be sure to use it. Okay, so came in this little, silk satchel. That just made me sound very country. Silk, what do I say? Silk bag. Shut up. You know I'm country, okay? They put in some light-skinned people's stocking caps. And there's the card. And y'all, this helps me out so much because y'all know that I'm absent-minded. So when companies send me some and they put the little information on the card, it makes me so happy, okay? This wig is Brazilian virgin hair. It's 14 inches long. It's natural black, a 150 density, and it's a 5x5. It says it has, and y'all know I love a 5x5, 6x6 because that wig is so easy. Some of y'all be wanting these 13x82s and 78x60s, and that's where you mess up. 5x5. It says it comes with baby hair around the perimeter. And it comes with a natural pre-plucked hairline with invisible HD skin melt Swiss lace. I like Swiss cheese. So let's see if we like this Swiss lace. I'm sorry, I've been sipping. It's been a rough past few days. So let me get myself together. All right, y'all, let's look at the wig. Okay, it's cute. Okay, just taking out the paper. And like I have been saying, I booked myself a birthday trip, right? So y'all know my favorite wig is no wig. I love being bald. And now your girl got a little bit of waves coming through. Can't tell me nothing. Hold up, let me show y'all. Look, just a few. Okay, can't tell me nothing. But I have been saying that I need to bring some human hair with me. Okay, let's hope this is it. All right, this is the little wig. Okay. It looks cute, and this looks like it'll be something that's right up my alley. Let me just show you the cap construction. I'm going to plop it on my head, and then we're going to style this, y'all, and see if we're going to keep it. Okay, there's that 5x5 parting space, which, like I said, that means you ain't got to glue and tack and all that stuff. That's why we missing edges, because y'all be wanting to put that glue everywhere. Okay, you get a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and a comb at the crown, the top of that 5x5, and then in the back, you get a comb and adjustable straps. Yeah. Let's put this on my head and see how she looks before I cut off that little strip of lace. Y'all, this might be the one. I can already tell this might be the one. Y'all, this length is going to be bomb. How long did I say this was? Okay, because the curls are tight. So if you pull it, you know it's pretty long. Hold on, because this card says, 14 inches. Y'all, in my head, I thought I said 24. I was about to say, now they a rabbit-ass lie. Okay, but 14 inches, and that's going to be perfect for what I have to do. Okay, here it is before I cut off the lace or anything. Okay, and because it's that 5x5, of course you can wear it in the middle and you can shift it as well. But know that you can part anywhere in that lace area. I could have got a comb, but when your nails are ratchet like mine, why? Look, you can part anywhere in that lace, wherever your little heart desire. Okay. You can also shift. There's a shift in the atmosphere, and there's a shift in this wig. All right, let me cut off the lace. I might lay down a few of those baby hairs, and I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. But I'm super excited about this because I think I'm going to like it. cute, super, super easy, and super, super nice. Y'all, I really, really like this one. Now, in my head, I want to pack this wig with me, but the sad part is I know that I'll probably only wear it like once and then be done. So I don't know if I should hold on to it or not. I will tell you this, it is extremely cute. And in my head, I keep thinking this would be something that my mom will eat this wig alive. She loves, you know, this style hair. What I did is all I did was spray on it was water and conditioner. And this is the look we got. I ran a little powder up that part, and you can see that powder is a little too light. And I swooped some of those baby hairs, and this is the end result. Y'all, this wig is a bop. I absolutely love this one. And y'all know I don't get too excited about human hair units, but absolutely gorgeous. And I love the look wet. You should have saw in that little clip though, when I didn't wet it, it was big and really, really full. So this is the type of hair that if you do wear it out and you wet it, this is the look you'll get leaving the house, and then you just know it'll get fuller throughout the day. Super cute. Definitely recommend this one. But y'all know, like I always say, I love Wig Encounters. I have loved literally every wig that I've ever gotten from them. Definitely recommend them. And they always give me a coupon code. So look down in that box. This one is a bop. This one is a must. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your Auntie Tina that work in the cafeteria at the local middle school. She also serves on usher board #1 as lead usher. Be marching in strong like this. Okay? Maybe it's your Uncle Timothy, okay? He also works in the cafeteria, and he also wants a little 14-inch wavy wig, period. Whichever one, send them our way, we'll get them right. All-inclusive channel. Cute, though, y'all. Cute, cute, cute. Absolutely love this one. Look at that light skin powder, though, that I use. Y'all. I like this one a lot. Until next time, which will be very soon.